Good morning, everyone. Welcome to e-learning class of social science. Today we are going to study lesson 4 of geography, that is globes and maps. Dear students, can you tell me how can we identify places on the earth's surface? Why do you think the earth appears blue from space? For identifying places on the earth's surface, we need globes or maps. Globes and maps are important for our proper understanding of earth. They help us to locate places easily. Globe. A globe is the appropriate model of the earth. Globes, which are spherical in shape, are the exact replica of the earth. As the globes are of the same shape as that of the earth, they represent the shape of the land masses and the water bodies with great accuracy. Limitations of globe. However, as the globe always show the entire earth, it is very difficult to get the details of small places on the globe, and we cannot carry a globe everywhere. Therefore, we prefer to use a map. A map is the representation of the earth or part of it on a flat surface. The word map comes from the Latin word mappa, which means napkin, cloth, or sheet. Maps are more appropriate for showing details. We can draw maps to show countries, continents, and neighborhood, etc. Advantages of maps. It can be folded and carried easily. We can see each and every detail of a place with the help of a map. A person who draws maps is called a cartographer. The science of map making is termed as cartography. A collection of maps in the form of a book is called an atlas. Let's learn about the basic elements used in maps. 1. Title. It tells the reader what the map is about. 2. Directions. The four main directions are north, east, south, and west. They are commonly denoted by their initials N, E, S, and W. North, that is N, top portion. East, that is E, the right hand side, that is if we stand facing the map. South, that is S, the bottom portion, opposite to the north. West, that is W, the left hand side, that is opposite to the east. Apart from the main directions, there are also 4 sub-directions. 3. Scale. A map is always drawn to a scale with regard to actual ground distances. For example, the scale given in this map, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers on the actual ground. 4. Legend. It is used to show different types of information. In maps, symbols are meant to provide information about the geographical location of places like temples, churches, bridges or roads, etc. 5. Grid system. The network of the lines of latitudes and the lines of longitudes is called a grid. It helps find the exact location of a place on the map. Sketches. Some maps are roughly drawn and they do not follow a particular scale. These are called sketches. Plans. Other than a map and a sketch, there is another large scale representation of an extremely small area like a house or a school. Such drawings are represented according to a scale, show very minor details also. These are called plans. Types of maps according to the scale. Each map may be drawn of different size. Often a book page is used to show a city but can also be used to show the world on the basis of the size of the area drawn and the scale of the map. Maps are classified into two types, namely large scale maps and small scale maps. When a large area is shown on a paper, very few details may be marked. For example, a map of the continents with a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 lakh kilometers cannot show the details of a city. Such a map is called a small scale map. On the other hand, a city map with a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer shows a locality colony with the detailed information like roads, schools, hospital, etc. Such maps are called large scale maps. Types of maps according to the function. Maps are generally classified into three types. These are physical maps, political maps, and thematic maps. Physical maps. Maps that highlight the physical features of an area such as mountains, rivers, and lakes are called physical maps. Physical maps are very useful to mountaineers and pilots. Political maps. Political maps indicate states, national boundaries, capitals, and major cities. They clearly show borders of states and countries along with the division and subdivision of continents. A capital city usually marked with a star within a circle. Thematic map. As the name suggests, the map has a specific theme or subject. They represent particular information like the climate, tourist places, parks and sanctuaries, etc. So, students, hope you have understood the lesson. For a better understanding, read the lesson twice and watch the video attentively. Thank you. Have a nice day.